Okay, Bandits, I know this one can be a little bit tough, but we are all familiar with this pesky little license plate bulb. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace that once and for all, starting right now. So these can be pretty annoying, right? Because you can't do it from the outside. So what you have to do is you actually have to do it from the inside of the trunk. So let's open this bad boy up. And you have to take apart this plastic panel, this huge plastic panel, but it's actually not as difficult as it seems. Let me show you guys. Okay, so we're just gonna start from this corner right here. We're gonna start removing it from right there, and you're just gonna pull down on it gently, and you'll just do it all the way across the trunk. And there's a little tab here that you've got to press in. Be careful with that little guy. And you just keep going around and around. And eventually, it all comes off. So not too bad. One thing you want to try to be careful with is hopefully you didn't break any of these tabs. Some of them might be stuck on the van still. So just pop those off and put them right back by just sliding them on. So you're just gonna go like that, and you're just gonna slide it right back on like that. Oh, like this one right here. You can see it's kind of coming off. You can slide it off, slide it back on, and we're good to go. And then just be careful with these, because if you pull on those, they could break. And there's two of them, as I mentioned as I was taking it off. Now that we've got it off, this is actually the easy part. As you can see, the license plate bulbs are, there's one right there, and the other one is right here. Okay, so to take these off, all you have to do is twist it in. Well, let's see if I can do it with one arm here. Oh, yep, there it goes. All right, we got that one off, and then let's take the other one off too. Here we go, and let's switch the bulbs. Now for the bulbs, you're gonna have a couple of different options. This is gonna be more of the factory option, and I'll put a link down for both of these. So you've got factory option here, or you can go with the, so these are gonna be the LED style bulbs, which I've got right here, where it's the same exact way, except it's gonna give you that nice clean white, light bluish tint, which also goes the same exact way as far as installation goes. And I've got the one side already installed right here. We'll put this sucker into the other one, and then we'll see how it goes. But as mentioned, I'll be sure to put both links down in the description, depending on which one you want. Okay, so we actually put both of the bulbs in, as you can see right here. See if I can swing these around for y'all. Both of them are in, one here and one here. And before you put everything together, let's go ahead and turn the car on, make sure the lights work before you put all this stuff back on, okay? So let's go do that right now. There we go, guys, that's one side, super bright. And then here's the other side. Okay, so we're good to go. We can put those back in. Let's turn the car off, put everything back together. Putting them back in would just be in the reverse of the order that you've removed it. So you just put it in and then twist it. There you go. And you're putting it on pretty much clockwise. Clockwise to put it on, counterclockwise to remove it. Ooh, it's a little bit harder to get to. There we go. All right, once you hit the snap, you're good. Good there, good there. Let's put the plastic back. Now, when you're putting the plastic back, you're just gonna wanna put it back in the reverse order of how it came off. So usually what I like to do is just kinda line this up there. You can even hook it with those two plastic hooks here, and then you can put this tab in here, tap that in, and then come over here, start tapping those in, and just go around and around. There's a couple in the middle here. Just kind of give it a little tap, tap. That's all there is to it. All right, guys, the sun is down and the lights are on, so let's take a look at our license plate lights, and there you have it. Check it out. Really nice, bright white LEDs. How'd that look? All right, guys. There you have it. That's all there is to it. Hopefully those license plate bulbs are finally working after months and months and maybe even years of it being out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I've got some other videos on this channel that you might want to check out if you're just doing some regular maintenance. And I'll be sure to see you guys in the next video.